Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Teazers Tapping Clitoris Stimulator. So let's get started. So this is the Teazers Tapping Clitoris Stimulator itself in a beautiful bold pink colour. This is a wonderful clitoral stimulator and works by means of vibrations and a pulsating tapping technology. The innovative combination enables precision targeted stimulation and a longer lasting orgasm. This tapping toy has 6 different settings. It's also ergonomically designed and feels very comfortable in your hand. It's made of a body safe silicone, so it feels very soft and smooth on your skin during use. The clitoral stimulator has a diameter of 2.4 centimeters and this is not removable. So let's turn on the vibrations. Push and hold on the bottom button for a few seconds until the light switches on. Press once more and the vibrations and tappings begin. To switch between the settings, use the same button and enjoy wonderful vibrations and tapping. To turn off, push and hold down on the bottom button for a few seconds and it's now off. Now this stimulator is waterproof, so you can use this in the bath or shower for extra fun sensations. And make sure do not submerge the toy underwater for an extended period of time. It's very simple and easy to charge using the USB charging cable provided. Push through the silicone, this will not damage the toy, and it will start to charge for you. The battery will last up to 120 minutes, which is roughly 2 hours. Now, when using this tapping clitoris stimulator, we would recommend to use a water-based lubricant for a comfortable feeling during use. Make sure to clean the tapping clitoris stimulator after every use. For this, we would recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Teazers Tapping Clitoris Stimulator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.